James.
We don't have much time before the big meeting, miss. No, we don't. Have you seen the scissors, miss? They're in the bottom drawer.
You go sing with him.
I tried that drawer, but they're there no more. That's odd. I thought for sure. Have you seen the mesquite tin? It's right next to the phone. That's what I thought, but now it's not. I guess I should have known. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips?
Beautiful.
The ballpoint pens are gone again. They're gone again. The stickies have lost their stick. Do you remember when the rubber bands were in their place?
La 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 la.
They're in the middle drawer. Light bulbs easy to replace. Yes, there are always more. Pleats of paper raining down. People plaids aplenty. Where we go, I like turns in every queue. I remember never less than 20. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips? The ballpoint pens are gone again. They're gone again. We brought out a package slips. Someday my prince will come. Please replace the tuner. Someday my prince will come. Where's the